Advanz Pharma has agreed to sell its stake in Intercept Pharmaceuticals, Inc. to the company. Intercept will continue to operate as a separate company, but will be merged into Advanz's European pharmacy business. This move signals a shift in the company's strategy, as Advanz has been focusing on specialty and hospital pharmaceuticals. The Intercept value is providing us with greater strategic optionality during this transformational year and beyond. This agreement marks a significant step forward for the company and will help them strengthen their balance sheet while providing them with greater strategic optionality. Upon closing of the transaction, Intercept will receive consideration in the amount of $405 million upfront, subject to customary working capital and other adjustments. The company will receive an additional $45 million from Advanz Pharma contingent upon receipt of an extension of pediatric orphan exclusivity in Europe. Intercept will continue to be responsible for the manufacturing and supply of obeticholic acid globally, and Advanz Pharma will be responsible for packaging, distribution and commercialization of the therapy in all markets outside of the U.S.